Coinbase Wallet, your gateway to web-based crypto storage. Coinbase Wallet offers unified, non-custodial access across multiple platforms. It prioritizes security, empowering users with control over private keys. Coinbase Wallet integrates DApps, supports NFTs, and allows direct token swaps. Coinbase Wallet is considered a non-custodial wallet. Users have full control over their cryptocurrency's private keys, which are stored directly on their devices, which diminishes the necessity of depending on Coinbase for safeguarding their cryptocurrency holdings. With Coinbase Wallet, users can access Web3 applications. Web3 means using decentralized apps powered by blockchain technology. For example, Web3 apps include decentralized finance (DeFi) apps, non-fungible token (NFT) marketplaces, and decentralized autonomous organizations (DAOs). Coinbase Wallet is applicable on many platforms. Coinbase Wallet applies to iOS phones, Android phones, desktop computers, and web browsers. On phones, users download the Coinbase Wallet mobile app. On desktop computers, users download the desktop app. In web browsers, users install the Coinbase Wallet browser extension. The browser extension works with Chrome and Firefox. No matter how users access Coinbase Wallet, they get the same wallet on all platforms. This is because Coinbase Wallet uses a recovery phrase to back up the wallet. The recovery phrase is a 12-word passphrase. It allows the wallet to be recovered if the user loses access. Users can restore their exact wallet on any device if they have the recovery phrase. Features of Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Wallet prioritizes non-custodial security, giving users full control over their cryptocurrency private keys. Unlike centralized exchanges, users exclusively hold the keys to access their funds. Private keys are encrypted and stored locally on the user's device for added protection. By maintaining personal control of keys, users need not rely on Coinbase or any third party to secure their assets. Coinbase Wallet provides a consistent user experience across multiple platforms. The functionality and interface remain the same whether accessing Coinbase Wallet through the iOS and Android mobile apps, Chrome and Firefox browser extensions, or Mac, Windows, and Linux desktop apps. This allows balances and transaction history to synchronize across all connected devices seamlessly. Users can conveniently switch between accessing their mobile, browser, or desktop wallet without missing a beat. Coinbase Wallet integrates a DApp browser into its mobile and browser-based wallets to easily access the rapidly expanding world of decentralized apps. This provides a portal to interact with and utilize the many DApps built on Ethereum and other blockchain networks without installation friction. Popular DApp categories supported include decentralized finance, non-fungible token marketplaces, decentralized autonomous organizations, collectibles, and gaming. Managing and exchanging crypto assets is straightforward within Coinbase Wallet, enabling direct token swaps between supported cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin without going through a centralized exchange. This allows users to rebalance and shift holdings as needed efficiently. For emerging non-fungible token use cases, Coinbase Wallet lets users securely store, display, send, and receive NFTs conforming to the ERC 721 and ERC 1155 standards. Wallet Connect further expands NFT functionality by enabling trustless trading on integrated DApps and marketplaces. Coinbase Wallet provides a critical recovery mechanism through a 12-word passphrase. If a user loses access to their wallet by damaged or lost devices, this recovery phrase can fully restore their wallet and crypto holdings on a new device. These features make Coinbase Wallet secure and easy to use for crypto users. Next, we will examine how Coinbase Wallet provides a unified experience across devices. Coinbase Wallet unveils a cohesive Web3 experience. A major benefit of Coinbase Wallet is its unified experience across platforms. Users can manage their crypto on a desktop at home. They can access it via the browser extension on a laptop on the go. They can check their wallet via the mobile app while traveling. It's all the same wallet. Coinbase Wallet's cloud-based architecture enables this unified experience. User wallet data is synchronized securely across devices using encryption. Important data like private key stays on the user's local device only. Coinbase Wallet also provides an SDK for developers. The SDK helps web and mobile apps integrate with Coinbase Wallet. This lets users connect their wallet to DApps to transact directly from the DApp interface. Wallet Connect is used to connect wallets to DApp securely and privately. Wallet Connect is an open-source protocol. It enables the communication between decentralized apps and crypto wallets. In addition, Coinbase Wallet lets users customize gas fees for transactions. This helps optimize fees on busy networks like Ethereum. Users can set default transfer speeds. Gas price estimates are provided through Oracle integration. Coinbase Wallet delivers a smooth Web3 experience by unifying access across platforms. Next, we will explore the future roadmap for Coinbase Wallet. The future of Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Wallet offers unique capabilities compared to other crypto wallets. It focuses on optimizing Web3 usage across platforms. The Coinbase Wallet team aims to keep improving the wallet's capabilities. The Coinbase Wallet team plans to expand the wallet's capabilities to support more blockchain networks and crypto assets beyond Ethereum. This will allow users to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies within the Coinbase Wallet. Additionally, they aim to enhance NFT functionality by enabling support for NFTs across multiple blockchains, rather than just Ethereum. Other planned improvements focus on increasing accessibility and aligning with core Web3 values. This includes translating the wallet into more languages, onboarding more DApp developers, and building features that promote decentralization, security, and self-sovereignty. For example, adding options for users to control their private keys. The roadmap demonstrates Coinbase Wallet's commitment to driving mainstream adoption of blockchain technology and crypto assets. As a non-custodial wallet built for the multi-platform world, Coinbase Wallet is planning for the future. The team wants to make Coinbase Wallet an essential part of the growing Web3 ecosystem. Conclusion: Coinbase Wallet provides a convenient Web3 experience through its unified wallet accessible across platforms. Key features make it easy and secure to manage crypto, connect to DApps, store NFTs, and more. Looking ahead, Coinbase Wallet aims to continue improving its capabilities and play a leading role in the improvement transition to Web3. With its focus on accessibility and decentralization, Coinbase Wallet is positioning itself as an important gateway to the decentralized future of finance and technology. Crypto assets see inflows first time in 6 weeks. Concerns regarding a possible U.S. government shutdown catalyzed purchases of cryptocurrency investment products between September 23 and 29. According to CoinShares, the inflow to digital asset investment products reached $21 million last week. Experts indicated that the main activity occurred at the end of the week, before the end of the financial year. At that time, there was still no certainty regarding the distribution of budget funds to continue the work of the departments. The recent regional divergence persists, with the U.S. seeing outflows totaling $19 million last week, while Europe and Canada saw inflows of $23 million and $17 million, respectively. Bitcoin (BTC) funds recorded an inflow of $20.4 million after an outflow of $6 million in the previous reporting period. From structures that allow opening shorts on the first cryptocurrency, investors withdrew $1.5 million. A week earlier, $2.8 million. Altcoin-based products showed mixed dynamics. In Ethereum ETH funds, investors released $1.5 million. The previous week, $2.2 million. Solana SOL-based products raised $5.1 million. Europeans invested in crypto products last week but were unable to reverse the negative trend. According to a CoinShares report, investors have withdrawn $294 million from the industry since the beginning of the year. In the reporting period, the outflow reached $9 million, while trading volume reached $820 million, which is significantly lower than the average for the year, $1.3 billion.